to show you the 2020 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. Come take a test drive today.